linear equation. May the force be with you. A linear equation means it is an algebraic equation that is interpreted as a line when plotted on a graph. Any equation with variables no more than the power of 1 is linear. For example, x plus y equals 2 is linear, but x squared plus y equals 2 is not linear because we have x squared. So remember, anything with the power of 2 or greater is not linear. Then how do you solve a linear equation? To solve it, we simply isolate one variable to a side of the equation. To do this, add, subtract, multiply, or divide the same number on both sides of the equation. For example, if we are given a question of solving a linear equation, 5y plus 10 equals 15, we notice that on the left side, we have a variable and a constant. Since we need to isolate the variable on this side, we need to take care of the constant. Subtract both sides by 10 to remove the constant 10 on the left side. Then we get 5y equals 5. Divide both sides by 5 and we have y equals 1. Let's try this problem. Solve 2 times x plus 1 bracket equals x plus 2. First, expand the equation. We get 2x plus 2 equals x plus 2. Subtract both sides by x so that we isolate the variable on one side. The 2x minus x on the left side can be reduced to x. Then we have x plus 2 equals 2. Now subtract both sides by 2. Finally, we get x equals 0. Not too difficult, right? So remember to isolate the variable on one side and calculate using the same number on both sides. It's time to solve a GMAT type problem. Don't forget to bring your scrap paper and a pen and pause the video for a moment and try to solve it for yourself. What is the value of x if x over 4 is 2 less than x over 2? In this question, your ability to translate the words into mathematical terms is important. The word is means the equal sign. The word less than means subtraction. But be careful of the order of subtraction. For example, if you say 2 less than 5, it means 5 minus 2. Don't make a mistake of calculating 2 minus 5. The word less than is always backwards in the math. If we translate the words into math, we have x over 4 equals x over 2 minus 2. The least common multiple for both equations is 4, so multiply both equations by 4. Then we have x equals 2x minus 8. Now isolate the variable x on one side. Subtract both sides by 2x. Thus, we get minus x equals minus 8. Multiply both sides by minus 1, and for the final answer, we have x equals 8. The answer is therefore D. That's it! Don't forget to check cognitivebyGMAT.com and be familiar with solving the linear equations. There are some useful links below. Happy studying!